Listening to pink noise while you sleep can actually supercharge your memory. Unlike the more chaotic white noise, pink noise is a soothing sound that mimics the gentle ebb and flow of nature, like rustling leaves or distant waves. This harmonious sound enhances deep sleep, which is crucial for strengthening the neural connections in your brain. Deep sleep is when your body clears out toxins and consolidates memories, so by immersing yourself in pink noise, you're giving your brain the perfect environment to process and retain information. It's like creating a spa day for your mind, where it gets the chance to rejuvenate and fortify itself, making you sharper and more alert during your waking hours. So, plug in and let pink noise be your brain's nightly booster.